So here I will give the demonstration for two-dimensional arrays. So let us first learn how to declare them. We have to use double subscript for 2 dimension, and if you have to declare 3 dimension, you can give 3 subscripts. Then say new integer, and you can give the dimension. So I want to give dimensions as 5 into 5, that is 5 cross 5. So this creates a 2-dimensional array. Now there is one more method. I can directly initialize the elements also. So I have to use square brackets. So these are first row elements are in the bracket. So I have given 3 elements. Then commas, they must be properly separated by commas. Then second row elements are 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, just 3 elements I have taken. Now again comma. Now 1, 3, 5. So this will create an 2-dimensional array of size 3 by 3 because I have given 3 rows. These are 3 rows, and each row contain just 3 elements. So 3 elements 3 times. So this is 3 into 3. And one more method is I can just declare reference, and later on in the next line I can see I can create object by giving sizes. So these are 3 different methods. Even we can place brackets at any location. I will show here. These are 2-dimensional array. I can give a reference like this. This is valid. I will create an array also. Now this is valid. So I can give square brackets before the reference name also, or here just after data type also I can give. Both are same. And here I will give square bracket after D. So 1 square bracket before D, 1 square bracket after D. I can do it like this also. So this is also valid. Now I will show you one interesting thing here. Just watch carefully. I will give square brackets here. Okay. Then E, comma, F, then square brackets. So I have 2 arrays. Whereas E is single dimension array. It's not a 2-dimensional array. I'll give the size, also one more size. You see it's an error because it means E is a single dimension array. Incompatible type, only 1 index is allowed. You cannot take 2 indices. So I'll remove 1. Yes, it is valid. E is a single dimension. What about F? Integer of size 5. I will assign like this. No, it is wrong. It is not single dimension. It is a 2-dimension. How it is happening? I will explain. See, here by writing int square bracket, we are saying that integer type array, that is single dimension array. So if I give semicolon and enter, then this means now E is a single dimension array. Yes, it is single dimension. Now you can clearly see it. Now same this portion, I will copy it again here. Now what it looks like? F looks like 2-dimensional array. Yes, this is 2-dimensional. Like you see, I have declared D also here the same way F is declared. So this E is single dimension and F is 2-dimension. So if I cut off this and put them in a single line, so E is single dimension and F is 2-dimension. So this is one of the dimension for F, and this is second dimension. So when you are using square brackets along with the data type or before the reference, it has really different meaning. I will show you one more thing. Integer square bracket, right? G, H, I, J. What all these are? All these are single dimension arrays. Because here in the beginning I said that integer array reference. So all these are array references. So you can declare multiple 1D arrays like this. All are 1-dimension arrays. And after J, if I give square bracket, then J becomes 2-dimensional array. So this is how declarations are. Now I will remove all these things, and now we will see how to display the elements of 2-dimensional array. We have to use nested for loops, 2 for loops, one for rows and one for columns. I is less than, I will display array B, length So length is a property of array B. Then one more for loop for columns now. So for this I take j assign 0 and j is less than, I have to give size of the row now. Size of the row means I can take any row size. B of 0 dot length and j plus plus. Then inside this I will print. I have to say b of I comma j. So though we don't write comma, but we say read it as I comma j, b of I comma j, like how we do it in mathematics. This should print all the elements of a 2D array B. Let us check. So I should get the elements. Yes, I am getting the elements 1, 2, 3, then 2, 4, 6, then 1, 3, 5. I want them to be printed properly, so I will not say println, it will not go into next line. But after every element I want some space, so give some space. Then after end of each row, I want a new line. So print new line, system.out.println, just nothing, I have just given empty string. Now run it. Yes, it is more looking like a two-dimensional array or a matrix. So by using two nested for loops, we can do it. Now second method, instead of using for loop, we can also use for each loop. So I will remove this for loop. Now I will type again for integer x of type rows for B. So first one is for row. Row means one dimension. So I have to give this reference. Then for elements, columns. Columns means they will have elements. So I have to take it from x. Then print. Y will contain the element. So I am printing Y. Now let us print. Yes, it is printing all the elements. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5. So if you want to display it like a matrix, then I have shown you already how to do it. So using for each loop, we can access all the elements of a 2D array. So these are the two methods. Now let us look at few more things. I want to print directly B. Let us see what will happen. I'm just printing B. It will not print all the elements, but what it will print? Let us check. Oh, it is giving two brackets, opening square brackets, and I for integer. So these two brackets resembles 2D array, and this is the code for an array. The same code we were getting for 1D also. Okay, so we cannot print a two-dimensional array by just saying system.out.println, but it will show some code about that array. Let us go back. I want to say b dot length. What it will print? The length, that is 3. There are 3 rows. Now lastly, I will show you jagged array. So I will remove this. Now for jagged array, I will take an array with name A. So this is empty. So first I will create 3 rows. So A assign new integer. I want 3 what? Rows. So give another square brackets empty. This will create 3 rows. In each row, I will create a array. This I have shown you the diagram on whiteboard. So first one I will create of size 5. Then A of 1, I will create an array of size 3. Then in third one, that is index 2, I will create an array of size 8. So there are 3 rows, but the column sizes are different. So it's not a regular 2D array, it is a jagged array because the number of elements in each row are varying. I don't have the elements, but I have zeros. So I will print them using for loop. Integer I assign, I will just print zeros only. So I should say a dot length. Okay. Then I plus plus. Then in second for loop, I should take j, and j starts from 0. J should be less than what? I should say a of I dot length. I should not say a of 0 dot length now, because every row is having different size. So it's better say a of I dot length. Whatever the row is, we want the elements from that same row. Then I want to print them system dot out dot println, I will print a of ij, and I will give some space. I will remove ln, and after the inner for loop, after completing a row, I will give a new line, so empty string I will print. Now let us run it. I should get zeros, but first row should have 5 zeros, next row should have 3 zeros, the next should have 8 zeros. Let us check. Yes, 5 zeros, 3 zeros and 8 zeros. So without storing the elements, I have just shown you zeros. So I have shown you how to print all these elements. I will change these loops to for each loop. Let us check this. First one is x, and second one is, you can take ij also, but usually x, y are used so that you can easily identify them as for each loops. So here I will print value y. That's it. So first for each loop will go through rows and second one will go through columns. Column means all the elements of an array. Run it. Yes, we got same zeros. So that's all about two-dimensional array. In the coming videos, we will look at coding exercise, or it means student challenges. So I'll give you some exercise programs. So we will do programming using this two-dimensional arrays. So that's all in this video.